process. Okay. And after that, we're going to discuss about implementation as well as embryonic development. Okay. So actually, embryonic development and implantation process is the simultaneous process. Simultaneous and this process is one of important process. Okay, and that's why we will going to discuss both process simultaneously. Actually, this is a simultaneous process. ठीक है, मतलब जैसे जैसे हमारा एम्ब्रियो का डेवलपमेंट चलेगा, ठीक है, उसी समय में कुछ स्टार्टिंग फेज में, जब एम्ब्रियो का डेवलपमेंट स्टार्टिंग फेज में होता है, एट दैट टाइम इम्प्लांटेशन जो होता है वो होता है यूटेरिन वॉल पे, ठीक है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी गोइंग टू विथ बोथ प्रोसेस. ओके, so let's start with some questions. And first question is, the acrosome unable to sperm to help in motility, produce energy for activity, penetrate vitelline membrane of ovum, fertilize more than one ovum. I'm launching the poll for you guys. Please answer it. Okay. Correct, Shashank. Karthik, wrong. Gautam, correct. Okay, correct. Dikshita, correct. Dikti. Okay, so I'm ending the poll. Prithvi actually wrong. And this is your result. Maximum people choose an option C. Obviously, option C is the correct option. Then how it correct? हम उसको देखते हैं. So first of all, please read question carefully. Okay. So what is the question? Question में क्या है? Correct Sneha, correct Naina. So question asks, the acrosome unable the sperm, that means it ask the function of acrosome. Okay, and acrosome some type of क्या contain करता है, some type of enzymes. Okay, so it asks the function of acrosome and their enzymes. ठीक है, so and correct option is the option C. Then how option C is the correct option? So first of all, acrosome present in which part of sperm cell? For example, this is the sperm cell. Okay, this is the sperm cell, or we can say sperm. So acrosome present in top side of the sperm. That means it present in the head portion. That is a head portion. Okay, and that's why this portion is the first portion which touches, or we can say which attaches to the egg cell. For example, here is the egg. यहाँ पर हम ऐसा कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे एग सेल है. 1 minute guys. यहाँ पे एग सेल है for example. ठीक है, and here is the zona pellucida and other layers like vitelline membrane. So this and this egg cell, this head portion contain a acrosome. यहाँ पर क्या है? Acrosome. Okay, and we already know acrosome contain a different enzyme, and that enzyme is known as lytic enzyme. ठीक है, and that lytic enzyme is responsible to break this vitelline membrane. Okay, and that's why option C is the correct option. Help in motility, in case of motility, so tail is important for the motility for the sperm cell. Produce energy for activity, for the development of energy. Here in neck region there have a chromosome, sorry, mitochondria present. We already I think uh, okay, we already I think discuss on it, and this is a naked bin region. Okay, we already discussed. Next thing is the fourth option, fertilize more than one ohm. So this is the not a function of vitelline, because vitelline not a function of sperm, a single sperm. ये single sperm का काम नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है? So that's why, or we can say acrosome का काम नहीं हो सकता, and that's why option C is the correct option. Okay, so हाँ, क्लीवेज एंड इम्प्लांटेशन ही होगा आज, ठीक है? प्रेगनेंसी जो है ना हम देखेंगे, बट प्रेगनेंसी का कुछ पार्ट इसमें आएगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टोल्ड कि ये साइमल्टेनियसली चलेगा. ओके, हमें फोकस ऑन क्लीवेज, ठीक है, but some pregnancy part also come there. That's why I am told like this. Next question is, at the time of fertilization, chromosome number. Options are: is Hall, is remain haploid, is become a diploid, does not change. Okay, I am launching poll for you. Please answer it. Okay. Okay. Okay, correct, Dipti. Not correct, Prithvi. Not correct, Karthik. Okay, so I am ending the poll, and this is your result. Maximum people choose an option C. Obviously, option C is the correct. Then how it correct? So let's see. Is screen not visible? Please give me answer in chat box. Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, चलिए, ठीक है, no issue. So here at the time of fertilization, number is half. Okay, Hall means half. Okay. Next, remain haploid. Okay, remain haploid means, for example, in case of germ cell, for example, sperm cell and egg cell, there have no pair of chromosome, or we can say half number of chromosome here. Okay, I am saying half number of chromosome. Okay, that means if our chromosome are the 46, then only 23 and 23 chromosome are present. That known as haploid, and it also known as N condition. Okay, that is a haploid. So this is a not a option because this 23 not going again toward the half number. ये half number पर नहीं जाएगा. 23 का 11.5 नहीं हो जाएगा chromosome. This is a not happening. Okay, so this option also not correct. Remain a haploid. So you already know in case of fertilization, two gametes are fused and one zygote get developed. ठीक है, and the number in gamete is a 23 chromosome plus 23 chromosome. That means zygote developed into 46 chromosome. ठीक है, so that's why become a diploid is the correct option because here zygote is the developed. ठीक है, with the help of haploid cells, and that haploid cells are the germ cells. So option C is the correct option. Okay, so I am off my camera. Some of students facing voice issue. Actually, in our side there have some type of cyclone like atmosphere. That's why I think network issue also. ठीक है, चलिए, let's go to the next. So next, so first of all, autism in the development. So there have two types actually in case of embryonic. So don't panic. नहीं तो आप बोलोगे कि सर embryonic development is the part of next day. ठीक है, ये तो next day पढ़ने वाले हैं, आप अभी बता रहे हो. ठीक है, but in this case, in today's lecture, we going to discuss about the embryonic development from fertilization. मतलब फर्टिलाइजेशन से जो एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट होता है, okay, that thing we will going to discuss in today's session. Is my voice clear? Breaking. Okay, 1 minute guys. Is it clear now? Again it's breaking. Okay. One minute, guys. Happen, or we can say this embryonic development going to the next stage. That embryo is known as a fetus also. उसको fetus भी हम कहते हैं. But this is also embryonic development, and it start from the fertilization stage. ठीक है, ये fertilization stage से start होता है. Actually, I think in your syllabus, madam share some type of timetable. ठीक है, but that thing I think completed in next day. ठीक है, वो सभी चीजें कल हो जाएंगी because there have no extra data. उसके लिए कोई extra data नहीं है. ठीक है, I think I would to ask madam about this. ठीक है, उसके बारे में मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं. First of all, what is meant by embryonic development? So after fertilization, this embryonic development gets started. In embryonic development, development start from the zygotic stage to the development of fetus. मतलब zygotic stage से embryonic development start होगा and कहाँ तक वो रहेगा, fetus बनने तक. Okay, that is known as embryonic development. उसे हम कहेंगे embryonic development. So some definitions are important in case of embryonic development. So first definition about the cleavage. Okay, then what is mean by cleavage? Cleavage का मतलब क्या होता है? Anybody कोई बता सकता है? What is mean by cleavage? Okay, so मैं ही बता देता हूँ. So cleavage is the series of rapid mitotic division. Is the series of rapid mitotic division. ठीक है? Okay. So here you can see in this picture, here is the sperm cell, here is the egg cell, and here zygote get formed. After formation of zygote, ठीक है? In this zygote there have rapid mitotic division get started. मतलब बहुत फास्ट डिवीजन होगा सेल का, and that mitotic division develops the lot of cells. For example, here you can see only 2 cells. Okay, after that it converted into 4. After that it converted into 8 cell stage. After this it converted into 16 cell stage. Okay, and it developed into the blastocysts. So this is known as cleavage. That process is known cleavage, where you can see the series of rapid mitotic division. Okay, that means a cell divided again and again and developed into the embryo. That process is known as the cleavage. Okay, उसे हम cleavage कहते हैं. So let's start the cleavage process in detail. ठीक है? So cleavage को थोड़ा in detail हम देखेंगे. So this cleavage convert single cell zygote. Okay, this cleavage convert single cell zygote. That means here you can see zygote is a single cell. Okay, and that single cell converted into multicellular part, into multicellular structure. Okay, and that multicellular structure is known as blastula. Okay, and this blastula also called blastocyst. Actually there have different type in the sense, for example late blastocyst. Okay, early blastocyst, like that. Okay, so we what we see first is the cleavage. So cleavage is this series of rapid mitotic division, and after that with the help of cleavage, this single cell zygote converted into multicellular structure, and that structure is known as blastocyst. So you can see the blastocyst, or it also known as blastula. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Blastula. So what's happened with zygote? Zygote के साथ क्या होता है? So first of all, you can see the only zygote after fertilization. Okay, after that, after 30 hours, here 30 hours time is required, and 2 cell stage are come. ठीक है, 2 cell stage come. That means this zygote, this one single cell zygote converted into 2 cell. Again, after this, from the fertilization, after 40 hours from the fertilization, I am saying, not from this event. Okay, so here fertilization happen. Okay, and after fertilization, after 30 hours, 2 cell stage coming, and after 40 hours from the fertilization, there have 4 cell stage come. So I am right here, 4 cell stage. Okay, and after 3 days from the fertilization, okay, so here I am right 3 days after fertilization, here 8 cell stage come. 8 cell stage come. Okay, then this 2 cell stage is known as the blastomere. So please remember this word. Okay, this is known as blastomere. इसे कहते हैं blastomere. Okay, next 8 cell stage. After 8 cell stage, it converted into 16 cell. Okay, it converted into 16 cell. Okay, and that 16 cell stage is known as morula. Actually, from the 8 cell to 16 cell stage, that structure of cell is known as the morula. ठीक है, इसे हम कहते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, morula. Okay, and that morula develop after 4th day. Okay, after 4th day from fertilization. मतलब fertilization के बाद 4थे दिन में क्या तैयार होगा, morula का डेवलपमेंट होगा, and that morula is in 16 cell stage. वो ही क्या रहेगा, 16 cell stage रहेगा. Okay, next thing is, when this development happen, actually fertilization happen in the fallopian tube, you already know about it. Okay, and after that this complete development happen, and during this complete development ongoing, at that stage it going toward the uterus. Okay, मतलब ये जब डेवलपमेंट शुरू रहता है, उस समय में ये डेवलपमेंट कहां पर होता रहेगा, यूटेरस के जाने के रास्ते तक. फॉर एग्जांपल, इट दिस डेवलपमेंट हैपन ongoing toward the uterus. मतलब ये यूटेरस के तरफ सरकता भी रहेगा. At that time this development happen. Okay, समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक. Okay, so what is mean by morula? Actually, here in case of morula, we going to picture also about the morula and other thing. This type of cell develop, that is a solid ball cell, or we can say solid ball structure, not a cell. Actually, this is a bunch of cell. And what is mean by morula actually? So morula word come from the mulberry. Okay, it is come from the mulberry. ये word जो है ना, ये mulberry से आया. ठीक है. So this is a mulberry like structure, and that's why this is known as morula. इसके वजह से हम इससे कहते हैं morula. So please remember this thing, that is the important, that is blastomere. So 2 cell stage is known as the blastomere. Okay, next stage, that is the morula, it is the 16 cell stage, and that is known as morula. And it is a mulberry like structure, and that's why it is known as morula. इसके वजह से morula कहा जाता है. So मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ, I am repeating once. So here fertilization happen, यहाँ पर fertilization हुआ है, ठीक है, and after that fertilization single cell zygote get developed. So here cleavage process started, and what is meant by cleavage? It is the series of rapid mitotic division. That means mitotic division happen in the zygote, and this zygote converted into the bunch of cell, मतलब ये बहुत सारे सेल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. So I am right here single cell zygote into multicellular structure, and that structure is known as blastula. उसे common name है, that is the blastula. Okay. So after that, this is the journey, that is after development of zygote. Okay. After 30 hours, two cell stage come, and in two cell stage, blastomere is developed. Okay. Or we can say two cell stage also known as blastomere. उसे हम blastomere कहेंगे. After 40 hours from the fertilization process, here four cell stage come. That is, this two cell converted into the four cell. Okay, that is known as four cell stage. After that, eight cell stage come. That is, this four cell again converted into the two cell. Okay, and eight cell stage come. Okay, and this happen from fertilization up to the 3 days. ये 3 दिन में हो जाएगा ये प्रोसेस 8 सेल स्टेज वाला. आफ्टर दैट 16 सेल स्टेज कम. 16 सेल वाला कैसा होगा? फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ से फिर से दो डिवीजन होगा, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी नो फ्रॉम द माइटोटिक डिवीजन से क्या होगा, जो है दो सेल बनता है सिंगल सेल से. ठीक है. और एग्जांपल, so here 16 cell stage come, and that 16 cell stage is known as the morula. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मोरूला कहेंगे. Okay, so this morula comes, and after that 16 cell converted into the 64 cell. Okay, and that 64 cell is known as blastocyst. That is a complete blastocyst. यहाँ पर एक पूरा का पूरा blastocyst, और we can say bunch of cell get developed. इस तरीके से एक bunch of cell बनेगा, which contain 64 cells, जिसमें क्या है? 64 cell है. So you can see in this picture. So here ovulation happen. What is mulberry? Mulberry is the one of fruit. ठीक है, वो एक फ्रूट है मलबेरी. आई थिंक आपको पता होगा ना. ठीक है. So here ovulation happen. After ovulation, here fertilization get happen. Okay, and after fertilization, this is the first cleavage. This is the 2 cell stage. After that 4 cell stage. After that 8 cell stage. Okay, here complete compacted morula get developed. Okay, and this things is known as early blastocyst. Okay, and after that what happen? ठीक है. after 64 cell के बाद में क्या होता है वो देखने वाले हैं आगे. ठीक है. मोडुला, मैंने मोडुला लिखा. वंस मैंने ऐसे लिखा. दिस इज द मोरूला एक्चुअली. ये इसका कोई काम नहीं है इससे. ठीक है, छोड़ दो इसको. मलबेरी को सिर्फ ध्यान में रखो, बिकॉज दिस इज द वन ऑफ ट्री. इफ यू रिमेम्बर मलबेरी, देन यू कैन रिमेम्बर मोरूला. अपने आप ध्यान में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So that's why I am right mulberry, because this is look like a mulberry. ठीक है, ये मलबेरी जैसा दिखता है. ठीक है. चलिए आगे बढ़ते. वैसा कोई उसका काम नहीं है, मतलब नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है. चलिए, बट प्लीज रिमेम्बर दिस स्टेज. फॉर एग्जांपल मोरूला एंड ब्लास्टोमियर, दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है. सो हियर यू कैन सी द 8 cell compacted morula. ठीक है. And after that day 5, day 6, 7, and here implantation get happen. Okay, so blastocyst develop and implantation get happen. This is the complete system of development of cleavage. इसे ही कहते हैं हम development of cleavage. Okay, so going to the next guys. So here यू कैन सी क्लीवेज एंड ब्लास्टोसिस्ट फॉर्मेशन अगेन, ठीक है। तो इसको हम थोड़ा सा डिटेल में देखते हैं, क्लीवेज एंड ब्लास्टोसिस्ट को। Okay, so we going to discuss about blastocyst in detail in this slide, ठीक है। हाँ, yes, implantation happen in uterus. What is mean by implantation, Karthik? Implantation is nothing but attachment of blastocyst to the uterine wall. मतलब जो कोई uterine wall रहेगा, for example you can see in this picture, ठीक है, 1 minute, हमें इस picture this is the uterine wall, ये रहेगा uterine wall, and here this blastocyst get attached. Okay, ये blastocyst क्या होगा, यहाँ पर अटैच होगा, बस। that is known as implantation, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, implantation कहें, ठीक है। so going to the next is cleavage and blastocyst formation. So you can see the different diagram here. This is the zygote stage where you can see nucleus and polar bodies and zona pellucida like this. This is the basic structure, okay, after the fertilization. After that, here you can see two cells are developed, okay, and this is the different blastomeres, okay, ये यहाँ पर ब्लास्टोमेयर का डेवलपमेंट हो गया। अगेन दिस इज जोना पेलुसिडा and 4 cell stage are come, okay, and like this 16 cell come and morula get developed. After morula it converted into blastocyst. Actually blastocyst is a different than the morula and other structures, okay, other structure in the sense जो अब तक structure चलते आए हैं from the zygote, okay, so blastocyst is different. Then what is different in the blastocyst? तो different क्या हमें मिलता है blastocyst के अंदर? So you can see here is the cavity developed in the blastocyst, okay, and that cavity is known blastocoel. इस cavity को हम क्या कहेंगे, blastocoel, okay, so you can इसके कलर अच्छा नहीं है, ठीक है, चलिए blastocoel, okay, this cavity is known as blastocoel. After that you can see the inner cell mass here. Actually this inner cell mass is important for the development of embryo. मतलब ये inner cell mass ही काम में आता है डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए एम्ब्रियो का। अगेन यू कैन सी झोना पेलुसिडा ब्रेक। सो झोना पेलुसिडा का जो सिस्टम था तो वो यही तक था। आफ्टर दैट इट गेट ब्रेक, ओके, एंड हियर यू कैन सी ट्रोफोब्लास्ट, ओके। So trophoblast is important for the attachment, okay, of this structure, that is blastocyst, toward the uterine wall. मतलब ट्रोपोब्लास्ट जो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है हमें अटैचमेंट के लिए। So there have two wall in the trophoblast, okay, so यहाँ पर दो वॉल रहेगा ट्रोपोब्लास्ट को। फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द आउटर साइड of the trophoblast and this part is the inner side, and you can see the different cell, that is inner cell mass here, okay. So this outer structure of trophoblast is known as syncytiotropoblast, okay. Syncytiotropoblast. Actually this is important for the development of placenta. Next thing, that is the inner side of trophoblast, that this inner side it known as cytotrophoblast. Cytotrophoblast. So this important part, okay, for the implantation part, and that's why ये हमने देखा है। अब देखिए In the blastocysts there have two poles, ठीक है. First pole is known as animal pole. Okay, for example this is the blastocyst, ये पूरा का पूरा blastocyst है, and blastocyst have a two pole. Okay, for example this is the inner cell mass. Okay, ये हमारा inner cell mass हो गया, and there have two pole, and this pole is known as the animal pole. Okay, where inner cell mass is present is known as animal pole. उसे कहा जाता है animal pole. And opposite to animal pole is known as abembryonic pole. So please remember this thing. Abembryonic pole. Okay, so this inner cell mass is the precursor of embryo. So ICM, that is inner cell mass, is a precursor of embryo. That means it important for development of embryo, or we can say this inner cell mass converted into embryo in future. Okay, next thing, trophoblast is important. Trophoblast is important IMP for nourishment. Okay, so I am say this syncytiotropoblast is responsible for the placenta development also. ठीक है, ये placenta development के लिए, attachment के लिए काम में आता है. Trophoblast also important for the nourishment, मतलब nourishment provided by the trophoblast. Okay, so this is the important thing of blastocysts. Please remember क्या क्या important thing हमने देखा है. So you can see the blastocyst. Blastocyst is the different structure than previous structure से अलग है. Why? Here some coagulation of cell happen, ठीक है, and some space develop, that is a blastocoel space. Okay, and inner cell mass get developed. So what is the importance of inner cell mass? Inner cell mass is the future embryo. ठीक है, ये future embryo रहेगा. And trophoblast is an important thing. So why trophoblast is important? Because it important for nourishment. There have two pole for this blastocyst. First is the animal, next is the abembryonic pole. ठीक है, so this is the two pole present. So outer side of trophoblast also present, inner side is known as cytotrophoblast. ठीक है. Yes, Naina, this is the same procedure in case of twin babies also. Okay, but the fertilization process is quite different in case of twins. So we will going to discuss in the next day about the twins. Twin के बारे में हम next day जो है वो discuss करेंगे. Don't worry about it. ठीक है. So let's go toward the next. If you have any type of doubt, then ask in chat box. If you don't, then click on yes. किसी को अगर डाउट है तो मुझे पूछिए. Jayashree, we will discuss about in detail in next day. ठीक है, आइडेंटिकल नॉन आइडेंटिकल सबके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, ट्रोपोब्लास्ट के बारे में मैं फिर से बताता हूँ. Who is this? Nishit. So trophoblast is the outer layer you can see in this picture. Okay, trophoblast have two sides. First side is the syncytiotropoblast, and inner side is known as cytotrophoblast. So trophoblast is important. So it important for nourishment. Trophoblast also help for development of placenta. Okay, इनर सेल मास इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो। ठीक है, बस इतना ही हमें देखना है ब्लास्टोसिस्ट, एंड दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ब्लास्टोसिस्ट। ठीक है, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट। So there have mainly two type of cleavage division, okay, and actually this is not in your syllabus, but एक general information हमें रहे, that's why I am taking this slide, okay. So there have two type of division happen, or we can say there have two type of cleavage. So some cleavage happen in some organism, some cleavage happen in some organism. So first cleavage is known as meroblastic, or we can say holoblastic cleavage, कोई भी पकड़ सकते हो. So in this picture, in this difference, here is the meroblastic and next is the haloblastic. ठीक है, देखते हैं what is meant by meroblastic cleavage. So first of all, what is meant by cleavage? Cleavage is the division process. Okay, division process, that is the cleavage. Okay, so what is the meroblastic cleavage? So you can see in this difference also. So in the meroblastic cleavage, the cleavage of egg remain incomplete. That means small portion of cytoplasm is cleaved because yolk is cytoplasm. So what's happening in meroblastic cleavage? Meroblastic cleavage में क्या होता है? For example, this is the zygote. Okay, and this zygote contain a yolk. You already know about the yolk, okay, because if you see the hen egg, or we can say duck egg, so this egg contain a yolk. ये इस egg के अंदर क्या रहेगा? yolk रहेगा. Yolk means some yellowish color portion, that known as the egg yolk. इसे हम कहते हैं egg yolk. Okay, so in case of meroblastic cleavage में होता क्या है? The cleavage of egg remain incomplete. That means, for example, this is the zygote cell, okay, and this zygote cell going toward the division, that means cleavage happen in zygote. This zygote also contain a yolk. ठीक है, इसमें क्या रहेगा? yolk रहेगा. But if the level of yolk, if level of yolk is a maximum, at that stage the division of cell get down, or we can say low division of cell happen. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या होगा? लो डिवीजन होगा सेल का, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दैट एग सेल कंटेन, वो एग सेल और zygote क्या कंटेन करेगा? ठीक है, yolk as well as some cells. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल in case of meroblastic, here is the yolk and some cells are present here. कुछ सेल यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट रहेंगे, डिवाइडेड सेल प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. ओके, सो यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर meroblastic cleavage. सो दिस पोर्शन, दिस यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है ऐसा पोर्शन, इट कंटेन यॉक. इसमें क्या रहेगा? यॉक रहेगा, एंड यू कैन सी द डिवीजन ऑफ सेल हियर. ओके, एंड दैट इज नोन एज meroblastic cleavage. उसे हम कहते हैं meroblastic cleavage. So next point देखते हैं, in case of meroblastic. ठीक है, the cleavage furrow does not go through the whole egg. That means cleavage furrow means dividation. Okay, जो क्लीवेज बन रहा है और क्लीवेज बनने का जो प्रोसेस है, सो फरो का मतलब होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ zygote and I am add some line in it, so this line is known as a furrow. Furrow means it divided into two parts. First of all, again it divided into four, like that. So cleavage furrow does not go throughout whole egg. मतलब ये whole egg में देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. So you can see cell division happen in upper division only in this picture, but lower division have a yolk. Okay, that means it is a meroblastic cleavage because it contain yolk. मतलब सीधी सीधी बात है. Okay, in case of some egg cell, or we can say zygotic part, okay, it contain a yolk, okay, and it divide cell also, but it contain yolk also, that known as meroblastic, उसे हम meroblastic कहेंगे. अब हम haloblastic को देखते हैं. So please read this definition. The haloblastic cleavage, complete cleavage of egg occur due to the less yolk and more cytoplasm. So here what happens? This is the diagram of haloblastic cleavage. So you can see this is the zygote, and this zygote divided into two cells first of all. Again, this divided into next four cells, and here large cytoplasm develop. Why cytoplasm? Because here many cells are developed and low yolk. मतलब यहाँ पर भी yolk रहेगा, but this yolk condition is the down. यहाँ पर yolk कैसा रहेगा? कम रहेगा. And that's why the number of cell get increases. Cell का number यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Division कैसा रहेगा? Fast रहेगा, increase होगा. Here is the second point. The cleavage furrow goes all the way throughout the fertilized egg. मतलब उसके opposite ही पूरा. ठीक है. Next thing, occur in large egg that contain a high amount of yolk. So this meroblastic cleavage happen only a large egg. For example, egg of birds. ठीक है, ये बर्ड्स के एग में हमें जो कंडीशन देखने को मिलता है, और एग ऑफ बर्ड इज नोन एज मेरोब्लास्टिक क्लीवेज, वो रहेगा मेरोब्लास्टिक क्लीवेज. इन केस ऑफ ह्यूमन, ह्यूमन हैव अ हेलोब्लास्टिक क्लीवेज. ठीक है, ह्यूमन का कौन सा रहेगा? हेलोब्लास्टिक. ठीक है, बिकॉज यॉक जो रहेगा वो कम रहेगा. सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, इट ऑकर telolacethal and centrolacethal egg. Then what is meant by telolacethal, centrolacethal? We will going to discuss about it in next slide. It occur in isolacethal and mesolacethal egg. This thing also we will going to discuss what is the different type of egg. Next, it give rise to discoidal, superficial and bilateral cleavage. Actually, this is the type of cleavage. Okay. So this is not so much important for you. It gives the radial, spiral, bilateral, rotational cleavage. So actually this is the part of cleavage. So we're going to discuss type of egg. So if you have any doubt in this slide, then you can ask in the chat box. If don't, please mark on yes. किसी को डाउट हो तो पूछ सकते हो, अगर नहीं है तो यस पे क्लिक कीजिए. Okay guys. Yes, Prithvi. Actually, all of birds are the meroblastic. ठीक है, birds के केस में जो है ना, that is bird, reptiles are the meroblastic. ठीक है. चलिए, हम अब क्या देखेंगे? टाइप्स देखेंगे इसके फटाफट. टाइप्स में सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं there have major part, or we can say major types. There have two types. First is the meroblastic. Okay. In case of meroblastic, there have two subtype. ठीक है, दो सब टाइप है इसमें. That is telolacethal egg. Telolacethal egg. Then what is mean by telolacethal egg, guys? Okay. Here, egg yolk distribution is uneven. Okay. So I'm right here. Uneven distribution of yolk. Okay. And examples are, please remember example only because example asked in examination is the birds, okay, reptiles, and some fishes. कुछ फिश में ये हमें देखने को मिलता है, ठीक है. Next thing, that is B type, is the centrolecital. Centrolecital A. Okay. So in case of centrolecital, अब centrolecital की केस में हमें क्या देखने को मिलता है? In case of centrolecital, yolk present in central site. Yolk present in central site. Okay. And examples are arthropods. जो arthropods होते हैं, that is the example for it. Arthropoda. Okay. Next type is the haloblastic. Okay. So haloblastic also two types. Actually not two types. There are a lot of types, but we discuss हमारे काम का जो है वही डिस्कस करेंगे हम. ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे because this is the developmental biology and this is a very vast topic. ये बहुत वास्ट रहता है. You can learn it in your next classes. Next classes in the sense future classes. जब आप आपके डिग्री लेवल पे जाएंगे तब, ठीक है, इसके बारे में और अच्छी तरीके से जाएंगे. So in case of isolecital, there have equal distribution. Okay, equal distribution of yolk. Okay, and you also remember one thing. In case of haloblastic, one thing is common. There have low amount of yolk. मतलब इसमें कम से कम अमाउंट रहेगा yolk का. And examples are, कौन कौन से example है? First is a mammals. So mammals have a low amount of yolks, ठीक है. And the next thing is the some fishes, ठीक है, कुछ फिश भी रहते हैं इस केस में, ठीक है. ऐसा कोई क्लियर नहीं दिया है कि कौन से फिशेस है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज यू ही अच्छा लिखिए, ठीक है. बी थिंग इज मेसोलेसिथियल. Mesolecital. Okay, so in case of mesolecital, moderate amount of yolk present. Then what is meant by moderate here? In case of isolecital, there have low amount of yolk. Okay, as compared to isolecital, in mesolecital there have moderate amount of yolk. मतलब इसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा yolk रहेगा. And examples are, इसके example है, that is a shark. Okay, next is a amphibians. Okay, next is a ganoid fish. Then what is mean by ganoid fish? Ganoid fish का मतलब क्या होता है? A fish contain a diamond shaped scales. मतलब this is the fish. ये एक fish अगर है, अरे मेरा fish कहाँ चला गया? Okay, बताना कैसा होता है मेरा fish तो. This is our fish, okay, and this fish contain a diamond shaped scale like that. जिसके बॉडी पे क्या रहेगा? डायमंड शेप स्केल रहेगा. दैट डायमंड शेप स्केल फिश इज नोन एज गैनोइड फिश. उसे हम कहते हैं गैनोइड फिश. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ एग. If you have any type of doubt, so you can ask me in chat box about type of eggs. If don't, then click on yes. किसी को डाउट है इसके बारे में? बहुत सिंपल सा चीज है. Okay, I think it is clear to all of you. Okay, so coming to the next, guys. Next is the question. Please read question carefully. Please read option carefully. What is in question? Question में क्या? Blastomere are the daughter cell formed in process of. कौन से process से? Which process is happening during develop, or we can say during development of blastomere? Which process is happening? So first option is A option. Cleavage when zygote undergo mitotic division. Next is a fertilization when sperm enters cytoplasm of ovum. Implantation when blastocyst attached to the uterine endometrium. Sorry, uterine endometrium. Next is the gametogenesis when male and female gamete are produced by testes and ovary respectively. I am launching the poll for you. Please answer, guys, fast. Correct, Jayashri. Correct, Pruthvi. Correct, Nayana. Is any student from Bidar Center in your batch? Bidar in the sense Basav Kalyan Center. Correct, Sneha. Correct, Dipti. No one from Bidar. Basav Kalyan से कोई नहीं है. Only 10 seconds are left, guys. Please answer. Answer. Okay, Purvi. Okay, I am ending the poll, and you can see the correct answer on your screen. Okay, that is option A is the correct answer. ठीक है? Option A में क्या दिया गया है? That is a cleavage process. Okay, then what is the mean by cleavage? Cleavage का मतलब क्या होता है? When zygote undergo and mitotic division happen, that things is known as cleavage. So this blastomere develop after fertilization. So this process not happen. That is, this process is not happen. That is fertilization. What is mean by implantation? Okay. So blastomere is the two cell stage you already know, and for implantation we need a blastocyst. So blastocyst is the different thing. Okay, blastomere is the different thing. And that's why implantation in the process of implantation, this thing also not happen in case of blastomere. Okay. Next is gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is a different process. It happens before fertilization, and this is also not a answer. ये भी answer नहीं है, and that's why option A is the correct That is a cleavage process. Next, fertilization can only occur if sperm reaches to ampullary isthmic junction before the ovum. Ovum reaches to ampullary isthmic junction before the sperm. Sperm are transported to the uterus and ovum to the fallopian tube simultaneously. Sperm and ovum are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmic junction. I am launching poll again. Please answer fast. Correct, Sneha. Incorrect, Prithvi. Incorrect, Dipti. Okay, I am ending the poll, and this is your result. Maximum people choose an option D. Obviously, option D is the correct option. Option D correct है. देखते कैसे correct है. Here, sperm reaches to the ampullary isthmic junction before the ovum. If sperm reaches before the ovum, then sperm get inactivated in some time. Okay, so sperm अगर ये पहले पहुंचता है तो ओवम पहुंचने के पहले, ठीक है, बिफोर रीच द ओवम स्पर्म गेट इनएक्टिवेटेड, ये इनएक्टिव हो सकता है, ठीक है. आई एम से हो सकता है, दैट मींस देयर हैव पॉसिबिलिटी. हम we say complete fertilization, or we can say start of complete fertilization. So which condition is important for the proper fertilization, and that thing is the fourth option, that is sperm and ovum are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmic junction. अगर ऐसा होता है, at that stage this sperm also fresh, ovum also fresh, and that's why fertilization happen quickly. मतलब यहाँ पर कोई भी issue नहीं आएगा, there have no issue for the fertilization. But in this three options there have some issues. इसमें कुछ issue है. For example, before ovum reaches toward the sperm, it have a chances to inactive this sperm. मतलब ये sperm inactive हो सकता है in case. In this case, ovum get inactivated, okay, before reaching sperm. Next, sperm are transported to the uterus and ovum to the fallopian tube. ये तो condition दूर दूर तक this condition not happening. Okay, so and that's why option D is the correct. This is the perfect condition for the fertilization process. ये रहेगा एक perfect condition fertilization. Okay, so coming to the next, guys. Next thing is the implantation. So what is mean by implantation actually? So implantation is the process where blastocyst, or we can say attachment of blastocyst only, that is the implantation. उसको हम simple भाषा में कह सकते हैं, in simple language, that is the attachment of blastocyst. So I am right here. Attachment of blastocyst to uterine wall, that is known as the implantation process. उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? implantation process. ठीक है. So this implantation process happen 7 days after fertilization. So इसे होने में आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन कितना दिन लगेगा? 7 डेज का समय लगेगा. ओके. अब इस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है? इस प्रोसेस में 2 लेयर रहते, मैंने पहले ही बताया, दैट इज सिंसिशियो ट्रोपोब्लास्ट. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द साइटोट्रोपोब्लास्ट. ठीक है. सो दिस सिंसिशियो ट्रोपोब्लास्ट अटैच टू दिस वॉल, दैट इज अ यूटेरिन वॉल. ये जो हमारा एंडोमेट्रियम का जो लेयर दिख रहा है, ठीक है, ठीक है, उसको ये अटैच हो जाएगा. यू कैन सी हियर इन दिस डायग्राम. ओके. ये आउटर लेयर जो है ये अटैच हो जाएगा. This is the endometrium wall, okay, of uterine. This is the uterine endometrium epithelium. Epithelium means outer side membrane. Okay. This is the inner cell mass. Inner cell mass. And next thing is the trophoblast. This is the outer side of trophoblast. This is the inner side of trophoblast. Okay. So इस तरीके से इसका हो जाता है attachment. You can see here again. ठीक है. This is the cytotrophoblast, inner side वाला. This is the syncytotrophoblast. So syncytotrophoblast mix with wall of endometrium cell के साथ ये mix up हो जाएगा in this stage. Okay. And it require for the development of placenta. इसका placenta के development में भी काम आए. ठीक है. तो इस तरीके से इसका जो है attachment हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब इसमें एक और चीज ध्यान देने लायक है. दिस ब्लास्टोसिस्ट डेवलप सम विलाइज. ओके. एंड दिस विलाइज इज यूजफुल फॉर नरिशमेंट अप टू द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्लासेंटा. ठीक है. अगेन दिस विलाई जो है ये स्ट्रांग होती जाएंगी और प्लासेंटा बनाने में मदद करती है. वो देखेंगे हमारे. ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इम्प्लांटेशन. अब after implantation their hormones are important and these hormones get secreted. ठीक है. And these hormones is known as chorionic gonadotrophin hormones. Here is hypoblasta. 1 minute. Okay. So hypoblast is the part of inner mast cell. ठीक है. ये inner mast cell का पार्ट है. वो देखेंगे हम. एक हमें पार्ट है that is the gastrulation process. उसमें देखेंगे हम इसको. ठीक है. This is the hypoblast, epiblast. This is the different layer. ये layer है. Actually this thing, this inner mast cell is a bilayer. Okay. ये bilaminar है. मतलब इसमें 2 तरह के लेयर रहेंगे. Okay. That is the hypoblast and epiblast. After that these 2 layer converted into 3. ठीक है. Because our body is a triblastic. हमारा बॉडी जो है ना उसमें 3 लेयर है. We have a 3 layer body. ठीक है. तो वो देखेंगे हम. We will discuss it. ठीक है. In process of gastrulation का प्रोसेस जब देखेंगे तब लेयर डेवलपमेंट होगा. ठीक है. So here you can see role of zona pellucida क्या है इस केस में. So zona pellucida is important for the attachment and it find the proper site of attachment. ये क्या करेगा? प्रॉपर साइट जो है वो ढूंढेगा अटैचमेंट के लिए. So it stop placentation in the improper site. ठीक है. जो प्लासेंटेशन का डेवलपमेंट है उसके लिए ये मदद करता है, या इम्प्रॉपर साइट जो है उसके लिए, मतलब एक प्रॉपर साइट ढूंढने के लिए मदद करे. फॉर एग्जांपल प्लासेंटा डेवलपमेंट के. सो इट डिसअपियर एट द ब्लास्टोसिस्ट फॉर्म. मतलब आफ्टर अटैचमेंट वो क्या हो जाएगा? डिसअपियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट HCG का रोल क्या है? एक्चुअली HCG इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर डिटेक्शन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. डिटेक्शन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी जो है इससे होता है. ठीक है. इसको हम यूज करते हैं लेबोरेटरी बायोकेमिकल टेस्ट। वन ऑफ टेस्ट, हाँ we will going to discuss about it पृथ्वी, no issue। one of test that is ग्रेविटैक्स टेस्ट, एक टेस्ट है, ठीक है। उस टेस्ट के अंदर this HCG use, then how it use? So for the test there have two processes, there have one process is the kit test। किट टेस्ट किया जाता है। किट टेस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? there are one of kit and that kit known as the pregnancy kit। ठीक है, ऐसा इस तरीके से इसका सिस्टम रहेगा इन केस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी किट। आई थिंक यू see the some of we can say advertisement on your television about pregnancy kit वगैरह, ठीक है। प्रेग्रा न्यूज वगैरह ऐसा कुछ कंपनी रहेगा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द प्रेगनेंसी किट। सो in this pregnancy kit, Gravidex test. So in this pregnancy kit you add some urine sample here, ठीक है। प्रेग्नेंट वुमन का यूरिन सैंपल यहाँ पर ऐड किया जाता है। एंड आफ्टर दैट here two lines are come, okay। if two lines are come, that means woman is a pregnant, that is a good news, okay। woman is a pregnant if two lines come। if only one line come, okay, test is completed but woman not a pregnant, उस केस में woman जो है वो pregnant नहीं रहती, okay। so this is the simple pregnancy test। next test is the blood test। blood का भी टेस्ट किया जाता है। actually this hormones present in blood also, and this blood test happen in laboratory only। pregnancy test that is simple kit test happen in home also, मतलब pregnancy test जो है वो घर में भी किया जाता है। and it completely depend on HCG, secretion of HCG, okay। HCG के ऊपर ये डिपेंड करता है, okay। so after fertilization process this HCG start secreting after 5 to 7 days, मतलब 5 से 7 दिन के बाद जब अटैचमेंट हो जाएगा, ठीक है, उस टाइम से सॉरी वो टाइम से सिक्रीशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है HCG का इन फीमेल बॉडी, ठीक है। तो जनरली ऐसा मतलब एक सिस्टम है। फॉर एग्जांपल यूरिन यूज, अर्ली मॉर्निंग यूरिन यूज फॉर दिस टेस्ट, ठीक है। बिकॉज अर्ली मॉर्निंग यूरिन इज अ मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ HCG, उसमें क्या रहेगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा HCG रहेगा, ठीक है। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। हाँ, HCG के यूज क्या है वो देखते हैं। एक्चुअली इट सिक्रेटेड बाय द ट्रोपोब्लास्टिक सेल, मतलब ये ट्रोपोब्लास्ट जो रहेगा ना वो सिक्रेट करेगा, दैट इज द HCG। so it maintain carpus luteum which in turn produce progesterone। so progesterone is important for the development of baby, जो है उसके लिए important है। and it maintain carpus luteum, जो हमारा कार्पस ल्यूटियम है उसको ये मेंटेन करने का काम करेगा, जिसके वजह से क्या होगा, दैट इज ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन वगैरह, LH वगैरह जो हमने पढ़ा, ठीक है, ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन, तो उसको ये मेंटेन करता है। एंड दैट्स व्हाई प्रोजेस्टेरॉन का डेवलपमेंट के लिए काम पड़ेगा आगे चल, ओके। कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, प्लासेंटा डेवलपमेंट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्लासेंटा, ये तो कल ही लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। चलिए ग्रेस्टुलेशन देख लेते हैं पहले। Okay, so next thing is the granulation process। Then what is the mean by granulation process? Granulation process is the transformation of blastocyst into gastrula। मतलब first of all जो है, this is the blastocyst। blastocyst have an inner cell mass like this, इस तरीके से inner cell mass रहेगा, and there have development of some germ layer। यहाँ पर डेवलपमेंट किसका होगा, जर्म लेयर का, ठीक है। So I think you already know about the germ layer. There have 3 type of germ layer. Okay, कौन-कौन सी 3 टाइप की germ layer रहेंगी? ठीक है, for example, anybody किसको पता है, कोई बता सकता है? For example, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. ऐसी 3 अलग-अलग प्रकार की. There have 3 type of germ layer. You can see in this picture also. This is the ectoderm, endoderm, okay, and mesoderm. So mesoderm present in middle side, okay, endoderm present in inner side, and ectoderm present in outer side. For example, someone asked me about holoblast and epiblast. Epiblast और holoblast के बारे में मुझे पूछा था. So holoblast प्रेजेंट इन इनर साइड एंड epiblast जो है आगे चल के आउटर साइड में आ जाएगा. It come in the outer side. That means it converted into ectoderm. Okay, and that process is known as the granulation. I think you already know our body made from the 3 germs layer. कौन-कौन सी germ layer है हमारे बॉडी में? That is a endoderm. Okay, next is a mesoderm, and third one is the ectoderm. Okay, and this the development of this different layer, ठीक है, in the blastomere is known as ग्रेस्टुलेशन. उसे कहा जाता है ग्रेस्टुलेशन. हाँ, पृथ्वी सिंपल सा चीज है. ग्रेस्टुलेशन इज द प्रोसेस वेयर 3 जर्म्स लेयर आर डेवलप. ठीक है, 3 जर्म लेयर जो है वो तैयार हो. पहले क्या हुआ था? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं. इस केस में देखो, इस केस में देखो, दिस इज द बॉल ऑफ सेल ओनली, मतलब एक सेल का बॉल है. ठीक है, एंड हियर यू कैन सी द ऑड इवन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेल्स. मतलब सेल का एक ऑड इवन स्ट्रक्चर देखने को हमें मिलता है. यू कैन सी द 2 लेयर हियर. यहाँ पर 2 लेयर है. दैट इज द हाइपोब्लास्ट एंड इपिब्लास्ट ओनली. हाइपोब्लास्ट इज द इनर साइड, ये इनर साइड में चला जाएगा, एंड इपिब्लास्ट कम इनटू द अपर साइड. सो दिस 2 लेयर कन्वर्टेड इनटू 3 लेयर्स. मतलब ये 2 लेयर कन्वर्ट होगा 3 लेयर. कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा उसका प्रोसेस यहाँ पर सिंपल हमें देखने को मिलेगा. यू कैन सी हियर. ओके, सो दिस इज द इनर मास. ओके, this is the trophoblast, this is the blastocyst complete. Okay, after that some amniotic cavity develops here. Okay, and this is the ectoderm. Ectoderm means these things. ectoderm जो है ये outer side में चला जाएगा. ठीक है, it present in outer side. Okay, it present in the middle side. ठीक है, it present in the inner side. ठीक है, एंड हियर यू कैन सी मेसोडर्म्स आर डेवलप. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? मतलब यहाँ बीच में से इस तरीके से इट गेट कर्व. ओके, एंड हियर यू कैन सी द मेसोडर्म्स आर डेवलप. यहाँ पर मेसोडर्म का डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. यू कैन सी प्रॉपरली इन दिस पिक्चर अगेन. सो दिस आउटर पार्ट is known as the ectoderm, and it is important for the development of muscles and connective tissue. ये क्या करेगा? जो है, सॉरी, इट डेवलप द नर्वस टिश्यू. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द मेसोडर्म्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डेवलपमेंट मसल्स एंड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. ठीक है, एंड ये जो है आउटर साइड वाला, इट आल्सो यूजफुल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इपिथेलियम. ये इपिथेलियम बनाने के भी काम आएगा. एंडोडर्म इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इनर ऑर्गन्स. जो हमारे इनर ऑर्गन्स रहते हैं उसको डेवलप करने के लिए एंडोडर्म काम में आता है. फॉर एग्जांपल टंग, टॉन्सिल, इसोफेगस, स्टमक. ओके, दिस डेवलप बाय द एंडोडर्म. ठीक है, ये 11th स्टैंडर्ड के बुक में अच्छे से. मेसोडर्म इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मसल्स. ओके, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ये बनाने के लिए, लिगामेंट्स लाइक टेंडन्स, स्किन, इट डेवलप फ्रॉम द मेसोडर्म, एंड फ्रॉम द एक्टोडर्म आउटर स्किन इट डेवलप. फॉर एग्जांपल स्किन, हेयर, नेल्स आर डेवलप बाय द एक्टोडर्म. ठीक है, and that process is known as the granulation. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Granulation process कहते हैं. ठीक है. So this thing is the important for from this lesson. If you have any type of doubt in granulation, so you can ask. If don't, you can leave for a day. I am launching MPS, so please answer me, and after that you can